Hi everyone! I thought I'd do a review of my Hexy Hair hair extensions for you today. I'm wearing them at the moment. I've had them for about 2 years. You probably shouldn't keep them that long. I think probably after maybe like 9-10 months you should be replacing them. I don't wear mine that much, so only for special occasions, nights out or whatever, which is quite rare these days. These are 18-inch halo hair extensions, Hexy Halo. If you're looking for hair extensions that won't damage your hair, these are really good because they're basically on a wire and you just place them on top of your head and then you bring your hair over the top. Literally takes like 2 minutes to put them in and like a second to take them out. So good. I've tried lots of different hair extensions in the past, including clip-in hair extensions and the keratin glue hair extensions, and also the nano ring extensions, I think they were called. Those were a disaster. I've got really fine hair. It's quite long. I've been growing it for about 4 years. So these extensions have been really good whilst I've been growing my hair out. I'm just going to take them out. So here they are. So as you can see, it's on a wire. There's a lace insert inside. So my own hair is quite long, but it's fine. So if you're looking to add a bit of body to your hair, a bit of length, even a bit of colour, because the lady can put streaks of different colours in the hair, or she can dye them. There's loads of different colours, so I don't personally dye my hair. I haven't dyed it for years. So it's really nice actually having a few streaks of blonde through the hair extensions. I'd say they're a bit lighter than my real hair colour, but to be honest, the ends of your hair are usually a bit lighter anyway, so it blends in really well. Right, I'm going to put them back in so you can see how easy it is. So just literally put them on top of your head like this. You get this little comb with a pointed end. I don't know if there's a special name for it. Oh, it's called HEADJOG. I'm sure I got one of these with the extensions when I bought them. But you can get them on eBay for a couple of quid. So, right, I'm just gonna pull my hair over the top. The extensions. So it's a bit tricky to do without a mirror. I've never had an issue with them coming out. Even if you move your head, they don't fall out. That would be a bit awful if that happened. You can't see them. Obviously there's a tiny bit of the wire that shows on top of your head. So that was it. So it's literally like 1 minute to put them in. I haven't styled them today. They're just wavy from the last time I used them. I do look after mine. I keep them in a clear plastic bag. I put argan oil on them to keep them soft, and then when I wash them I use baby shampoo so it's not too harsh on them, and they seem to have lasted so well. As you can see, it's added a lot of volume and a bit of length to my hair. They don't damage your hair. I think they're awesome. So if anyone's looking for extensions that don't ruin your hair, they're low maintenance, I would definitely recommend these hair extensions. Obviously you can straighten them, curl them. They are real hair, so you can do what you want with them. As long as you look after them, they should last quite a long time. I'll link one of her stores below. She's on Etsy, Facebook, and she's also got a website. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed my review, and I'll see you all soon.